Okay, so you're on the search for a good IDE, and you've come upon three options. They're CodeLite, Visual Studio, and CodeBlocks. And you're kind of wondering, well, which one is the better option? Well, today we're going to put their features and benefits head to head, and we're going to see which one actually stands out from the crowd. So let's do it. Okay, we're looking at CodeLite now. So some of their key features is the comprehensive code tools, their advanced debugging with a built-in debugger, which features breakpoints, watches, and call stack visualization. Their project management tools, you can organize complex code bases with robust projective navigation and file handling. And their feature-rich editor, so you have a syntax highlighting and navigation tool, enhancing coding precision, as well as, of course, speed. Having a look at their development environment, you get first-class support for C and C++ with Clang and GCC integrations. Their smart parsing and indexing makes navigating large code bases quite effortless. It comes with a complete toolchain for Rust development and cargo support. And syntax highlighting and error detection is tailored for Rust's unique features. It's available on Windows, on Mac, Linux, and FreeBSD. The consistent experience across all of the platforms with native performance really is fantastic. The last thing over here is their customization options, which transform CodeLite into your perfect coding companion. So it has a full extent functionality with community developed or even custom plugins for specialized workflows, seamless incorporate external tools and you can seamlessly incorporate external tools and custom scripts in your development process. You can tailor your layouts, keyboard shortcuts, and themes to match your coding style. So VS Code is an AI coding assistant. It can help you enhance your coding workflow with its AI-powered assistant. It actually streamlines development through intelligent features and natural language conversation. You can see over here, we've got a couple features. They're intelligent suggestions. So it actually generates whole blocks of code as you type based on your original existing context. And then also it has style matching. So it analyzes your code base to match your coding style. So it's not just coding, but it's coding like you. Also, it's quite time saving. So it has a suggestions tab, and you can actually just tap it for faster development. And it has quite a vast knowledge. So it's trained on billions of lines of open source code, which is absolutely fantastic. All right, let's have a look at CodeBlock now. This is open source C, C++ IDE. So CodeBlock delivers a consistent experience across Windows, Linux, as well as Mac. Your projects work exactly the same way on any operating system. It uses minimal resources. It doesn't compromise on your professional features. Runs smoothly even on older hardware, which may be hard to believe, even while you are handling larger projects. And then also there's a plug-in system which allows adding custom functionalities as you need it. This community-created extension expands your capabilities as well as your specialized tasks. Let's have a look at some of the key features over here. So project management. So you can actually organize related files in workspaces with custom build settings. You can work with GCC, MSVG, Clang, and other major C and C++ tool chains. You can set breakpoints, watch variables, and step through code execution. It has intelligent suggestions based on context as well as their included libraries. And there's visual distinction between code elements, which improves readability. Having a look at some of their workflows. So you can start quickly with project templates for various application types. Your profile and analyze your analyze code, which is fantastic for performance optimization. You can write code with assistance from the intelligent editor. You can configure multiple build targets with different compiler options, and you can find and fix issues with their comprehensive debugging tool. There's a bunch of really, really awesome features. So there we go. With so many options available, it's often difficult to make a decision and stick to the decision. My advice always is to try all of your options, even if it is for a short amount of time, just to see what actually works for you with a more hands-on approach, and then make a decision thereafter. Just remember that we're all individuals and we all have individual needs. If this was really helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.